I think I got a black eye. This branch whopped me in the face. That's where it hit me. Knocked the crap out of me. Fell ass over a tea kettle. I was tired and I cut something off and this thing came flying up at me like a baseball bat. Hit me right in the side of the face. And then 5 minutes later, the chainsaw kind of nicked my pants down here. And well, put this thing down here. You can see that. Got a little bit of my kneecap. Not much, but enough to tell me I'm done for the day. I'm tired. I'm lucky it didn't go any deeper. But I've had enough. That's it for today. Boy, I'm tired. See you later. Oh, in case you didn't notice before, I'm so hot I was perspiring through my nose. I get hot and sweat comes out my nose and everything else. That wasn't snot. What the hell was that? Stuff from the chainsaw. In case you were wondering, this is what I was cutting. All these things here. I don't want to put it down in. I had everything else in vertical, so I'm going to have to keep this in vertical too. Cutting this stuff away from the transformer up there. It was right about in this location where I got whopped. This is where it came out. There's a lot of stupid pine trees, but now you can see that big bastard back there. That's one I want to get rid of. Somehow I got to figure out how to cut it and make it fall the other way. Yeah, that's going to be a job. Huh. Huh. Face is starting to hurt. Do I still have a black eye? I guess so. If that's what it was. There's the fire. Shade house. And back over here we're gonna get some relief, some water, Gatorade or Monster, change of clothes and come home. See what time is it now? 3:54. Yep, time to come home.